jumping through the stage, Liam. All right. We're gonna take you, I mean, that was a semi-old song. We're gonna take you back even further in time to an album that we did 30 years ago. The album is called Just a Race. And if you guys don't run around and behave in your worst possible way, we will never play this song again, and we will blame it on you. Hey, don't blame it. We will do this song. It will be 5 out of 5 from our part. Let me see what you got, my friends. This song is called Artifacts of a Black Rain.